If you want to sell digital products on the biggest marketplace in the world, which is Etsy, then you need to be smart because there are thousands and thousands of sellers out there trying to sell similar things. On this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can stand out from the crowd really easily using a fantastic AI design tool called Kittle. Now, if you look at my screen right now, and remember, my name's AJ. I do all things selling digital products with AI on Etsy and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos, tutorials dedicated just for you. So if you're interested in any of that, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Now, check this out. I'm on Etsy as usual. By the way, these are all digital products, but how they are represented are in different ways. So what you can see, this is a popular now design here right at the top. It says popular now. Etsy deems it as popular with this beautiful sunflower with these butterflies sort of design. You've even got this one, which is another popular one, which is these playing cards 6-7 on a sweatshirt also. Now, these are called mock-ups. That means that the seller has put their designs onto the sweatshirt to show how it could be used, showcasing it basically. Now, obviously, you don't get the sweatshirt with the design, you just get the digital download, but it's a way of showcasing the design so it can help sell the product easier. And if I come down on the listings, you will see here's another one that's also on a mock-up. This is another one that's on a mock-up, and they tend to do better than just the design alone. Here are more mock-ups. Here's another popular one here. Again, like I said, mock-ups help sell the digital products, right? Another bestseller here, right? You will see them all over Etsy. And like I said, even for digital products, they are used to showcase the designs, right? And this is just me typing in PNG on the first page, right? Lots of mock-ups. Here's another popular now, popular now, popular now. Yep, and it goes on. Here's a mug mock-up. And here's another one. So look, the thing about this is what puts a lot of people off is they feel like that creating something like this is very expensive, because obviously photo shoots can be very, very expensive. But there is a way of doing this using AI really quickly right now, especially using design tool, which is not only for mockups and photo shoot, lifestyle, AI images, but it's also for creating designs, which I do also. So do check out my Kittle playlist. Now I'm going to show you on this video how to very quickly create a lifestyle image, which you can use with your design so that you can showcase it and have that as your main image, which actually converts better than normal images. So check this out. Okay, I'm on Kittle right now. Remember, I do have 25% off all the plans, and yeah, but you can try it for free. The link is below. There are many things I can sort of go to within this. So the first thing I'm going to go is I'm going to go to a mock-up here where it says mock up a t-shirt. In fact, you can mock up pretty much anything, but I'm going to click mock up a t-shirt. Okay, so now that I'm on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to click the button on the side, which is basically the mock-ups, right? And what I want to do is I want to choose something to help sell my digital product, a really cool mock-up that I think is going to work. Now, I'm just going to show you something where I'm going to get a sort of Christmas feel mock-up, right? So let's say I wanted to sell during Christmas. I'm going to get a Christmas style one, something that really represents what I want to sell. So yeah, let me just show you now very quickly. So once you go to mock-up, you can go to all different kinds. There's so many different kinds of products that if let's say you want to sell, there's many different types. I'm just going to go to one type where you got these kind of really cool mock-ups. This one's more Christmassy, which is what I want. And you can see that this comes up. So what this means is that this luminous bit is where you put your design in, and then it will show up in the actual mock-up. So the mock-up is really good, something that I really want. It's that sweatshirt, and I'm going to showcase a design really on it, okay, in that Christmas feel. Then actually I'm going to show you something slightly different where I'm going to change it into a sort of summary style, because it's really important when you're selling, you know, anything really, print on demand, digital products, that you represent the time of year that you're selling in, because that psychologically makes the customer want to buy it because it's actually in the time. You're not going to sell a Christmas design during summer and vice versa. So let me go to the design. This is where I'm going to upload it. I'm going to go to my uploads, choose a sort of Christmassy design that I've got. I'm going to click this teddy with a Santa hat, and I'm just going to put it onto the design, right? And I'm just going to make it bigger so it fills the space. This is my design, and you can see on the image next to it how it sort of sits nicely. And even if you want, you can enlarge it further on the mock-up like so, okay? And you can actually move it around a little bit as well, so you can get it in the position that you want. And basically that is it. If I wanted to create a mock-up for my design, digital design, that's exactly how I would do it, really quickly, in that sort of Christmassy lifestyle flavor. Now, if I wanted to change it slightly and I wanted to have a mock-up, a design that's different, let's say a summary design, and also have the mock-up in a similar way, but a summary feel, let's say, that's quite easy too. So check this out. When I go over to my design, obviously I'm going to delete that design because I want it to be a summary one. Go to uploads and then choose a design that is more summary. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I like these sort of butterflies and sunflowers on the side. These are lovely, but actually I might go with this one, which is the sort of for the book lovers, but in that sort of summary feel. So I'm going to click that. It's quite nice. Okay, then I'm going to need to put the design in the right place. Again, you get to see what it looks like on the side. Okay, look at it. Christmassy feel. And this is where I get to change it. So I'm going to say, what you do is you need to click on the side and there's a button here, right? So you click on that button, then you say connect with smartboard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say keep the mock-up design, but make it into a summer style. I mean, look, in terms of my prompt, it's really basic, right? It's not complicated, not hard. And what I'm doing is I'm basically telling it to transform this Christmassy style into a summer style. That's all I've said. So let's see if it understands that. And don't forget, this is using, Kittle has some of the most advanced AI design models here. You can see them all here. There's a list of them. I'm using Nano Banana, which is really good. It's fast and it can do it really well, with high quality. So let me click generate. Let's see what it does. Now I can always change if I don't like it. I can always redo the prompt and redo the sort of mock-up that I generate. So it's not a problem. I might need to tweak the prompt slightly, possibly, but let's see. Actually, it works really, really well. Just check this out, guys. So as I said, I wanted to keep it as it is, but I wanted it to be more of a summary style. I think the only thing I would say is the scarf is still there. That's the only thing. So what I'm going to say now is go to smartboard again. I'm just going to say remove the woolly white scarf from the image, right? And then click generate. So now it should remove the scarf because that's got that wintry feel that I don't want. Everything else is fantastic. And remember, this is what you can do. You can ask to remove things, add things quite easily, and there you go. I've removed it. Perfect. See? Very easy to do, very intuitive, very quick. So I definitely recommend it. Do try out Kittle. You can check out the link below. I've got 25% off all the plans. And it's not just about mockups that it does designing. And the designs that I've uploaded as well is actually created with a Kittle as well. So do check it out. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.